Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ferrarucci. This is the second look for the Independence Day October series going on currently on my channel. Like, I can't even hide it. I am loving the look. I am super impressed with me. I feel very artistic right now. But guys, please rate this look in the comment section down below. And if this is your first time seeing this pretty face, come on, don't make it your last. Subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notifications so when I upload videos, you will not miss out. And I'm very sure at the end of the day, you will like this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, okay? I really look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Let's get right to the video. So first I'm going to prime my face with a Stay Matte primer before going in with a foundation. The foundation I'm going to use is a Super Stay foundation. Very nice. Once I'm done, I go in for my highlighter. I'll be using the Zaron highlighter to highlight under my eyes, my nose bridge, my forehead, top of my lips, and my jaw. Yes, I'll be highlighting those spots. So next I go in for my contour. You guys know how much I love to use a foundation to contour my face because it gives it a much more natural look. So for the course of this video, I'm going to use an elegant foundation to contour my face. So next I set my contouring with a finishing powder from Zaron before going in with a setting powder from Airspun on every part of my face which I highlighted. Okay? So it would seem at this point I lost a few of the clips where I sketched the map of Nigeria and layered the base. So I'm just going to talk you through it. So I used an eye pencil to sketch the map of Nigeria on my face before going in with a Zaron gel liner as my base, as a green base, before applying the green eyeshadow on my skin to get the green poppy. I hope that was clear enough. So now the look is very greeny, like it's looking very Nigerian like. So I'm just going to line my eyes with a white eyeliner from NXY or NYX. I'm not very sure, I will check. But yes, I'm going to line my eyes with white before sketching the outer part of the map with a black eyeliner. So my Nigerian map is all done. I'm just going to put in some finishing touches like highlights my tear duct with a poppy green pigment, putting on my green lipstick, and doing a little bit extra, putting in white dots above the map and under the map. I just felt it looked really good. So I'm just going to highlight my face, put on a little glow spray before applying my false lashes, and we are good to go. So guys, this is the finished look. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope you really had a lot of fun watching it as well. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed till now, please hit the subscribe button and join my family. Also turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will get it. Also, please follow me on my social media handles on Instagram and TikTok at Ifeoma Okay, I am really looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video, and you can also check out the first Independence Day video I did. I'm going to put it up right now. Bye.